students, today I am going to explain you chapter 3 of social studies, that is major landforms. Landforms. What is landforms? Landforms are natural features of the earth's surface like mountain, plains, plateaus, deserts and river valley. So let's begin our chapter. The earth is a unique planet in the solar system. Its surface is made up of land masses and water bodies. About 29% of the earth's surface is land and about 71% is under water. The surface of the earth is not uniform and is always changing. There are flat areas called plains. At some places, the land rises to form mountains, plateaus, and hills. The variation in the earth's surface are called its relief फीचर्स, यानी जो हमारी अर्थ की सतह पे जो परिवर्तन होते हैं वो रिलीफ फीचर्स यानी लैंड फॉर्म्स कहलाते हैं. द मेन टाइप्स ऑफ रिलीफ फीचर्स और लैंड फॉर्म्स आर माउंटेन्स, प्लेटोज, प्लेन्स, डेजर्ट्स एंड रिवर वैलीज. So students, now we will discuss more about these landforms in detail. Landforms of the earth. Landforms. Landforms are natural, geographical or physical features on the earth's surface. Collectively, these include mountains, plateaus, plains, coastal plains, deserts and islands. Let us learn about these landforms. Mountains. Mountains are the elevated parts of the earth's surface. यानी अर्थ सरफेस का ऊंचा हिस्सा माउंटेन्स कहलाता है. Mountains are landforms that rise up to thousands of meters above the land surface. These are solid rocky masses present in long chains. The tips of mountains are called peaks. A long chain of mountains is called a mountain range. The Himalayan mountain ranges run 2400 kilometers across north of India. Standing at 8,848 meters above the sea level, Mount Everest in the Himalayas is the highest peak in the world. Some other mountain ranges include the Alps in southern Europe, the Urals, which act as a natural boundary between Europe and Asia, and the 7,000 kilometer long Andes Mountain in South America, which is the longest mountain range in the world. The climate in the mountains is cooler than in the plains. Our next landform is plateau, जिसको हम हिंदी में पठार कहते हैं. Plateaus are fairly level highland areas among steep slopes of surrounding hills. These are rest, flat surfaced areas bounded one or more sides by cliffs or steep slopes. The height of the plateau is about 500 meters. Some plateaus are the Tibetan Plateau, the Antarctica Plateau and the Deccan Plateau of India. The Tibetan Plateau is the highest and the largest plateau of the world. It is also called the roof of the world. Low plateaus are good farming areas, while high plateau are good for livestock grazing. यानी जो high plateau होते हैं वो पशुओं को चराने के लिए अच्छे होते हैं. Many high plateaux are barren like a desert. जो हाई प्लेटो होते हैं कहीं वो डेजर्ट की तरह सूखे होते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट लैंड फॉर्म इज प्लेन्स, अ लेवल्ड लैंड जिसको हिंदी में मैदान कहते हैं. Plains are vast stretches of open grassland drained by rivers. These are found in inland and along the coast. The plain areas are generally less than 200 meters in height. The plain areas have very fertile soil. Plains are rich in forest and farmlands. Farmland means होता है खेत. Coastal plains are located along the sea coast and the many of these are popular tourist spots. The plains areas are thickly populated. Next is deserts. Deserts are very dry areas. These are wide areas that get very little or no rainfall. Deserts are of two types, that is hot or cold. The Thar desert in India is a hot desert, and the Gobi Desert in Mongolia and China is an example of cold desert. Desert can have rocky or sandy surfaces. The Tibetan Plateau. The Tibetan Plateau has a rocky surface, whereas the Thar Desert is an example of sandy desert जो कि राजस्थान में है. Atacama Desert in South America is the world's driest desert. Camel is called the ship of the desert. Now we will read River Valley. River valleys. As it rains on the mountains, a large part of the rainwater flows as small streams. Many other streams join together to form river, and the rivers can cut the rocks and make a valley for themselves. So student, what is valley? River valley नदी घाटी होती है, and valley a low area of land between hills or mountains. A river valley is a low-lying area between hills, often with a river running through it. It is longer than wide. जो river valley होती है ये लंबाई में होती है, न कि चौड़ाई में. The river generally has three stages: the upper or the young course in the mountain, the middle or the mature course in the plains, the lower or the old course when the river falls into the sea or into the ocean. In the upper course, the typical features are rapids, waterfalls, the river flows swiftly. वहाँ पे जो पानी बहता है वह काफ़ी तेज बहता है, but has less water. The middle course begins when the river enters the plains. In this stage, the speed of water decreases and the river develops loops which are called meanders. यानी यहाँ पे रिवर घुमावदार हो जाती है और यहाँ पानी की गति बहुत ही ज़्यादा कम होती है. In the lower course, the river flows slowly and most of the rivers forms deltas before joining the sea. Deltas का शेप ट्राइंगल होता है जो कि कई सारी रिवर स्मॉल रिवर में विभाजित हो जाता है समुद्र में एंटर होने से पहले. So student, this was our chapter 3. Now we will complete our book exercises. So our question 1 is, tick the correct answer. 1 is, the average minimum height of a mountain should be about 500 meter, 800 meter, 900 meter. Our correct answer is 900 meters. Which of the following is not a mountain range? Rockies, Mount Everest, Andes. So our correct answer is Mount Everest. Our question 3 is, which of the following is a plateau? So our correct answer is Tibet. What is the main agent for the formation of plains? So river, weathering and earthquake. So our correct answer is river. Next question is, match the column. Here column A and column B are given. So you have to match column A to column B. First is mountain. So mountain, Himalayas. Next is plateau. Plateau is Tibet. Next is plain, a level land. Desert, a landform, and river valley, Ganga. So student, this was our chapter 3. For the question B, C, E and F, we will give you PDF file. From that PDF file, you have to do this question in your social science fair copy. Students, thanks for watching and